People always ask me why my bathroom smells so good. So here's the secret. That's right, everyone. After this tip, you'll never have to spend money to keep your bathroom fresh and clean. Here's what you need to do. You're gonna need 2 bars of soap like this one. You can use any soap you have at home, alright? Now, using a grater, go ahead and grate both bars very finely. Once that's done, we're gonna need a little bit of disinfectant or any floor freshener you may have. We're gonna add just 17 ounces for this. Go ahead and pour it over the grated soap. Alright, next we're gonna heat everything over low heat, okay folks? Then stir until all the soap is melted. Check this out, folks. When all the soap is melted like this, you can already turn off the heat. Alright, next, take a container, a baking sheet if possible, and line it with parchment paper. Then go ahead and pour a mixture in. And now, let's just let it set. Here, I'm gonna leave it at room temperature, but if you want to speed up the process, you can leave it in the refrigerator. So let's leave it here, then I'll show you. Alright, after some time folks, it's gonna look like this. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? It also has a very nice texture. Here it took only 2 hours to set, it's really quick. Alright, once that's done, just take a knife. You can measure about 4 fingers or so, and then cut it like this. After this, just cut in the opposite direction. And now folks, just see how wonderful it looks. That's pretty cool, right? And if you didn't understand it yet, this is an excellent homemade toilet tablet. All of this using just 2 ingredients. See how many we can make? It made 48 tablets. And now to store them, just take a piece of parchment paper and wrap them for everyday use. And now to use it folks, it's quite simple. So they'll be wrapped in parchment paper, right? But first, make sure your toilet bowl is dry, okay? This inner part needs to be dry. Then just go ahead and stick it to the toilet bowl like this. Press it a little bit so it sticks well. And then you can remove the parchment paper. And see how nice it looks. You can easily make and use it at home. Now, every time you flush, a little bit of the soap and disinfectant fragrance will be released, keeping your toilet bowl clean and, most importantly, super fragrant. So there you have it. Give it a try at home. I'm sure you're gonna like the result very much.